day Mia was born, a dangerous tornado came. She blew the tornado away with a humongous breath. She had pretty braids and a fancy bow. Had a strong grip. She could squeeze juice from a prickly pear. One summer there was no rain. The animals were hot and thirsty. The animals were so tired they rushed under a tree. She pulled the cactus from the ground. Mia wrung the water out of the cactus. It made a puddle. The animals drank the water. The animals were so thankful that they were so respectful. The animals were so thankful that they were so respectful.